In this video, I will show you how to share your YouTube channel link. It can be quite tricky to find your channel link, especially if you're new to YouTube, so make sure to watch this video all the way through, and with that being said, let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new browser and come across to youtube.com. And then from here, if you're not already, you just want to log into your account. So once you're logged in, you just want to come to the top right hand corner and click onto the profile icon up here. And then you want to come down and click onto YouTube Studio. So from here, what you're going to want to do is take a look at the menu over here on the left hand side, and then scroll down until you get to the customization button and give that a click. So this is going to take you to a page that's going to look like this. So you've got some options at the top of the page. You can see layout, branding and basic info. What you're going to want to do from here is click onto the basic info button. From here, all you need to do is simply scroll down the page until you get to the channel URL section, which is just a bit down the page down here. And you can see we've got our channel URL here, so you can just click this button at the side, which is going to copy this, and then of course you can just paste this into wherever you want to paste it, and that's going to take you across to the channel. So this is what you can use to obviously share this with your friends and family. And what's going to eventually happen is when you've got so many subscribers and you're a bit more established, you'll be able to actually customize this. So instead of having like a series of numbers and letters and things like this, you'll be able to change that to something more related to your channel. So in my example, I could change that to digital tutor, and then obviously any changes you make, you would hit the publish button up here. Another way you can do it is if you actually come across to youtube.com, and then what you want to do, again, make sure you're logged into your account, and then come and click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Then you want to come down and click onto your channel. And what this is going to do is basically take you to your channel, and you'll see in the web address at the top, you've got this address up here. And this is actually the URL as well. So you can just simply copy from here. And again, you can just paste this and hit enter, and that's going to take you again directly to your channel. So that's how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful today. If it did help, then be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube, then be sure to click the on-screen pop-up, which is going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for YouTube. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.